Imagine walking through a crowded mall, unaware that someone nearby is silently hacking your phone via Bluetooth. Just pure cyber intrusion happening right under your nose. Bluetooth was designed for convenience, not security, allowing connections for various tasks. Yet, every connection is a potential entry point for hackers. Let's look at some real-world cases where Bluetooth vulnerabilities led to massive data breaches. Starting with the 2017 Bluebugging attack. Bluebugging exploited Bluetooth vulnerabilities, allowing hackers to control devices without user interaction, risking over 8 billion devices. In 2020, hackers intercepted Bluetooth payment transactions, stealing credit card details before completion. Now, let's uncover how hackers infiltrate your device through Bluetooth using various techniques. 1. Bluesnarfing, stealing your personal data. 2. Bluejacking, sending malicious messages. 3. Bluebugging, complete device takeover. 4. Bluetooth impersonation, gaining access without authentication. Let's talk about how to defend yourself. Follow these cybersecurity best practices to stay safe. 1. Turn off Bluetooth when not in use. 2. Avoid pairing with unknown devices. 3. Keep your devices updated. 4. Use Forget Devices feature. 5. Use a VPN and encrypted Bluetooth apps. If you're into ethical hacking, here's how you can test Bluetooth vulnerabilities and strengthen your security. 1. Scan for devices using tools like Bluelog. 2. Try a Bluetooth sniffer to monitor traffic. 3. Test for pairing vulnerabilities to require PIN authentication. Bluetooth hacking is a real threat, but with the right knowledge, you can protect yourself. Stay vigilant and keep your Bluetooth off when not in use. Have you ever received a strange Bluetooth connection request? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.